Hello everyone. Today we will see a very important program. The question is to check whether the given three line segments form a triangle or not. This is a very important question in the view of exam. So first we have written in the line number 10 input enter the length of the three line segments, and we are storing the lengths into the variable a, b and c. So here the user is gonna input three lengths. Now in the line number 20 I have written a conditional statement that if a plus b greater than c and b plus c greater than a and c plus a greater than b, then print this as print that. Alright, so this and what I used here is logical operator. That means both the three statements should be true to print triangle possible, and if any of this is false then the system will print triangle not possible. Alright, so we know that in case of any triangle, the sum of the length of any of the two side is always greater than the third side. So this is the code which actually checks the statement. So here is our code. Now in the line number 30 we are gonna end the program. See, if the statement holds then the system will print triangle possible, and if it does not hold then it will print triangle not possible. So let's run our program. So first we are going to input 1 3 4. See, triangle not possible. Why? Because 1 plus 3 is 4, but 4 is not greater than equal to 4. 4 is equal to 4. Now let's try it again. 5 6 4. See, here triangle possible because the sum of any of the two number is always greater than the remaining one. So that's it.